Hello, my friends. This is Hani Ameri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. And for someone who is watching for me for the first time, I should say uh, I'm online entrepreneur working online from home since 2015. I've struggled a lot. I've did many mistakes. I've quit 2 times. Then I've made it a successful business since 2000, the mid actually exactly the mid of 2017. Uh, I thought it's good to share some of my experience, some pros and cons of the working online, just to help you and other people, of course, to avoid some mistakes, to like carry on in this amazing journey safely, quietly, and by the end you will find yourself a successful business. Uh, but I have to emphasize all the time, all my videos. Please don't believe all the stories that people saying nowadays that there is some guys making millions over the night in a couple of weeks or maybe months. It doesn't work like this. This is actual business. It needs to work hard and to continue building your knowledge, work on it, and follow up, even if it is only 3 4 hours per day, or if you finish a setup and you are good to go, maybe you need 1 hour to make it like a good business and successful one. Today, I'm gonna speak about a really important thing. Everyone who already have access to internet, and even everyone who already have a job, or don't like to think about working online, is stable, think like this important step you should take. You'll thank me later. You'll say this man gave me this a precious word, which is like make my life really easy and good to go. Maybe it's not for you, only for you. Maybe for your kids, for your family. By the by the end, this is for the future. I've regretted many years, a long time. I've lost it without doing this step. I don't like to make it long for you that this step is easy. You'll not spend a lot of money, but it needs to take action, even minutes in the beginning, like hour per month. But it will, like for example, you'll reap the fruit, and you will find how much interesting this is. You already took and carried on, make it happen. This this important step or issue, let's say, is how to brand yourself, how to build authority. When you brand yourself, but it will end that you will have authority. Maybe you've heard of some people, the influencers. Some people, they called people who have a lot of work online, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, or any other social media. Why they call them influencer? Influencer because they have a lot of subscriber. A lot of people knows them, and a lot of people follow them. So they have influence in the society now. They they have the authority now. You can make it so easy. It will not take a lot of time. It will not cost you nothing. Nothing, my friend. I've regretted long years. I didn't do it because I was working not online. I was working in a physical uh, products, factories, and like this. So I wasn't aware that I should work like this, because it's not like, for example, I was busy. No, I wasn't aware. If someone gave me this advice I am giving you today, I I have I should have do it that time, because it cost nothing, and even the time is like maybe minutes to start, hour, even a week or a month, but by the end you'll find yourself different. How to do it? It's easy, so easy, my friend. I will give you step by step. For any more details, reach out, comment below, or visit my website, submit a request there. I will reply directly, and will give you in details what you should do. Do it, please, because it will make your life easy. Not now, maybe years later, you'll find it really good. It's really easy steps to brand yourself. You know, everybody, your name is a brand. As you see, my logo there is Hani Ameri. Hani Ameri is a brand. Yes, it started like not too long ago, but it's grown. You put your name a brand. The first step you gonna do, and please do it. It's not a joke. It's important uh, to set up a one-page website online. It is easy. It costs you only 10-12 bucks a year to buy a domain, then to go to WordPress and build this website, one page only, to put your story. Your story, what is your story? I was born in this place. My parents was, my background was, I've studied in this school, I've graduated from primary school, I've graduated from this university. It's your story. Even it's more important to mention the difficulties, the hardship, the problem, the troubles you have, and of course the good times you enjoyed in your life. Put only your story. Above there is on the head, it's your name, your brand, and a title. And the other thing is, whatever you write is good. You're gonna correct later, you're gonna change later, I mean delete something and optimize something. It's good, but the important step is to take it is to make yourself online presence. This is the first step to build your brand. Building your brand will give you authority by the end, and I will explain how. So to buy a domain is 10-12 bucks a year, and the hosting is already maybe 5-6 boxes is already. If you don't if you can't make it, reach me out. I will help you. I will help you for the first steps until you understand. Maybe someone said, oh, build a website, I can do it. There is thousands of videos here on the YouTube. Just to type on your browser how to build a website in WordPress. There is thousands of people giving advice, tutorial videos, step by step to teach you how to build a website. It's not like building 7, 8, 15 pages. One page only the home page. It is your story. Put it here, and later You will find it is interesting, and by the time when your experience, when your skills growing, so you will see it's easy, really easy. I wasn't able to make it 5 years ago, but now it's easy. In 30 minutes, I can build a shiny, a really good object online. This is helping me a lot in people knowing me and starting building my brand and building my authority by the end. As I mentioned, your story is your, no, I'm not saying daily life, your trips, your schools, your events, family events, good, it's good. And there is important things I really uh, wasn't aware about it. In your mobile phone, when you have a photo and you plan to put it on your website, make it like not all the time portrait. Sometimes it's already like this. It's like landscape. Landscape. It's good for the website, for some important places. And for the landscape is okay. Sorry, for the portrait is okay if you want to this photo or this video, short video, to put it on Facebook, on Instagram, or anywhere. But for YouTube, it's better to make it landscape like this. And I recommend already, also, sorry, once a year, you grab from a family member, from a friend, relative, a professional camera, not like a phone camera, to have some photos with good resolution. This is you will need it to put on your website, like to archive your life, to like for example, uh, to register, let's say, your history, your life history. I'm, I'm like for example, I will come back to this offer and offer and offer because it's important. If you take this step first, then you by the time 1, 2, 3, 4 years you'll find yourself and a big issue in the internet. The lucky people nowadays who can make it to find their even very tiny space in this world, and it is easy. It's like for example available to anyone to make it. And I also mentioned that by the time if you find yourself you have skills, go to work it professionally because you already have the basics. Uh, you have some skills or experience working in this issue or in taking this step. It's so important. Keep learning, watching videos, asking people, go search online. There is a lot of free PDFs, advices people can give you, and you'll learn. It's really easy. It's not only easy, it's amazing. You'll like it. You'll enjoy it. So this is good. And I will come back to this issue day in and day out because it's important. Because like let's say 5 years ago, because I'm not like for example recording all my like for example working journey. I'm a successful businessman, not online. Before I have a lot of business and I'm successful, I regretted why I didn't record this one. And even I came back, I visited some of my friends, family members, asking for some photos or to remind me about some of the dates that we made the trips, we made the deals, we made a progress in our business, things like this. So why? Because I wasn't aware, to be honest. I would appreciate if someone gave me like this piece of word, it will it means a lot. It means a lot because it will save me a lot of time. Building authority is like you'll enjoy it. You mean people knows you and you enjoy it, and your word is like, for example, precious for everyone, family member, relative, friends, or even for the surrounding people or society. This is so important. I hope you enjoyed this like a short short speech, and this is a piece of word. Please go for it, and I'm ready here if you want some help. Drop me a line, and please subscribe and give me a like, and I will come back daily for new videos. And thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you all the best. Thank you.